How much should I charge for running Google Ads for 1 month? I can't answer that, my friend. I've spoken and talked about this on many occasions and videos. I don't know your lifestyle. I don't know your circumstances. I don't know how much you need to earn a living. All you need to do is to work out. I won't say sell yourself on an hourly basis. That's the worst kind of charges or billing you can do. You want to add value to somebody's account or campaigns. First of all, that mindset for 1 month, you got to take it out. Or it might be that you're asking per month. So I apologize for that. But if somebody wants to come to me for 1 month, I'm not going to take it on, because in 1 month, I'm not a magician. Even though we can create some miracles every now and then, but you need a bit more time for campaigns to mature. So short-term campaigns, we don't want those clients, because it's too much work onboarding them, setting up the campaigns, optimizing, and then before you know it, the time's up and then you stop working. The client is not happy and they haven't got the results. So first of all, managing the client expectations, and secondly, you need to work out how much you need in a month to survive. Now, I'm just giving an example. Let's say you need 5,000, right? And if you got one client, then the whole 5,000 is going to come from them. But you might price yourself out of the market. So what you want to do is to get more clients. So if you get 2 clients, then you can afford to charge 2,500 to each. Or if you get 5 clients, you can afford to charge $1,000 dollars or pounds or whatever the currency is each. But what I'm trying to say to you is you work around that way. I don't know whether you're working at the moment and then you're doing this as a side hustle or a part-time gig. So it's impossible for me to give you a number, because I really can't. I cannot even pluck a figure out of thin air.